Morning everyone. Hi everyone, it's Paul down here at CCRV, down here in Mildenhall. We're going to do a video this morning on some folks that bought one to go full-time living. So they're going to go full-time living in their van. They've got everything there and they've kindly said they'll go for an interview. I think they've actually got their own YouTube channel. So if we go along and have a look. This is a site, by the way, as you can see in the background. We've got plenty of stock here. So if you're thinking of full-time in or buying a fifth wheel, touring, anything like that. Right, I'll just introduce you to Scott and we're going to have a little walk around his van just to see what extras and bits and bobs he's put on it. I noticed you put the tripod on there, Scott. Does that make any difference? Or
it does make a difference, to be honest. I was dubious. I didn't think they would.
What'd that cost?
It's about 160 quid, I think.
Yeah, what does it do? Just
buy it in the States, they're about $50.
Yeah, I know.
You get them
it's
over
good old England.
Taxes, isn't it?
Yeah. So what does it do? What did you notice a difference before and after?
The wobble in the bedroom.
Yeah.
So you know when you're in bed and somebody's walking around at the back and that little bit of wobble.
Yeah.
It negates that.
Some people.
I mean, it doesn't like completely, but
yeah, it does.
I'd say it's a vast
improvement. What about these chocks? I've never seen them before. All the years we've done these.
Do the same thing. We bought those originally.
That's these plastic things here.
Yeah, easy blocks. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, they are very good. Very.
I've never seen them advertised here.
But they're supposed to take.
They look like they're going to collapse.
We got them from the States. Yeah, we had them.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Blimey, you got some solar in there, right? Let's have a chat about your solar. Holy smoke!
Yeah, there's a bit of kit in here. So yeah, we upgraded from the AGM batteries.
Yeah, so what have we got here? Let's have a little look. Right, start off here. So what have we got there?
So we got two Fogstar Drift, 230 amp hours each. So we got 460 amp hours total there.
What, lithium ones
lithium,
are these?
Yeah, lithium.
And what's this one here?
So yeah, we upgraded the MPPT because we had an extra solar panel put on top. So we got 600 watt.
Yeah.
So obviously that needed to be upgraded to take more.
And then we got that.
DC to DC.
What is that? AC to DC?
DC to DC charger, so it can charge from the car.
Right.
As we're driving. So that's
the size of these wires.
They're huge, aren't they? These ones are even bigger, don't they? But,
and what's that?
And that is the heart of it all. Yeah. So it's the Victron Multi Plus, which basically your mains, obviously from from your shore power gets wired into that. And
oh, so you've got two plugs, have you? Or
no, just the one. So they just rewired it. So
how do you switch it over, or does this do it automatically?
Automatically, yeah. So you've got to switch, say, you just put it onto on.
Yeah.
And it does everything automatically. So it
so if you
runs off the battery.
So if you unplug that, that'll go on the batteries, will it? Oh,
yeah,
gotcha.
It'll run the entire unit. So
that's that. So what's a ballpark figure?
For all of that,
a lot.
It was about £5 grand.
Yeah, and does it work?
Works very well so far.
What does it do? Does it give you the 240 everything?
Yes.
Yeah,
the whole lot. The whole lot.
And how many panels you got?
We've got 3 panels.
Yeah.
600 watt in total so far. So we'll probably
it's certainly
put some
impressive.
more up there. We might go up to 1,000 watt in solar.
Yeah. All right, do that's well done, Scott. That's a good one. That'll do that one. Right. Let's go in and have a look what mods you've done. Is this you two on the mat, is it?
Yeah, that's us two on the mat. Yeah.
Well, a few years ago. Yeah. This looks like David Beckham, doesn't it?
Yeah,
right, so what mods? What model is this? 2622
RK.
So what mods we done? You've obviously, was this your couch at home or?
No, we bought that from furniture shop, didn't we? To replace.
Yeah, it's lovely. It fits in there, right? Would you throw all the other stuff out?
No, actually.
It's in your shop.
Yeah, it's in my shop. Yeah. Well, the sofa bed we donated to our daughter. Yeah. One of the daughters.
Yeah.
So she's got that in her little spare room.
And that's that. And so what we've done here is, are you working from home?
Yes.
Yeah, so perfect. So that's a good, interesting mod, really, for the two of you.
And that's in my shop.
It is,
yeah. So this is working from home, and you've done a lovely job of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can both work there.
Yeah.
It's like a proper office, doesn't it? Yeah. And everything else is standard.
Everything else?
I see we've got plenty of cooking utensils and everything else.
TV.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but you put an English one in.
Put an English one in. Yeah.
Is that a smart TV or?
It's fully smart, yeah.
And it works okay?
Yeah.
What have you got Wi-Fi wise?
So, Wi-Fi, that's another upgrade as well. I forgot to tell you that.
Show us your Wi-Fi then.
Wi-Fi.
He likes it.
Show us your Wi-Fi.
Yeah, we got
Let's have a quick look at the Wi-Fi.
set up.
Oh yeah,
So
here we go.
5G.
And what's that on the roof? Is it?
Yeah, so that's up on the roof.
Yep.
And then
Did you fit that
obviously-
yourself?
No. Same company that did the solar actually, but they did that
Oh, right.
previous.
Yeah. Right, here you go. Right, so what brought this on? What made you buy a fifth wheel?
Well,
Yeah, over a few years we've been like
What was the
thinking
options? A caravan, a
caravan, motorhome.
we did look at them all actually.
We have.
And this
So
has
we-
been going on for like, what, 2 to 3 years, I'd
Yeah,
say?
about 3 years.
We started off with
Yeah.
a motorhome idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, camper van. Actually, we started off
very
at. didn't we?
Have you
Like-
ever been caravanners before?
No.
Never.
Never.
No?
Never.
Never. So
No.
yeah.
So you're complete virgins to the
Absolutely.
motorhoming camping.
Yeah.
So I bet that's been a shock, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It was-
It's a
yeah.
big learning curve. Big learning curve, wasn't
Luckily, we love it.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
but
we
it
do.
was the risk.
it? It was a massive risk because we
Yeah.
never
So how
done
did
it.
you find us?
YouTube.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
And I think I was looking for Ford Rangers for some reason. I don't
Yeah.
know why.
Yeah.
And CCRV popped up.
Yeah.
And we'd only just put a deposit on the
Yeah.
caravan.
It was a
Like a
Lusso, wasn't
Lusso,
it? Mm.
you know. And that was quite a big one for the
Yeah.
caravans.
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
Yeah. Probably the biggest one you can get in the UK.
And it was literally days then we found you. Literally
Yeah.
days.
Yeah.
About 2 or 3 days.
And then you come along and see us.
We did,
and
yeah.
You fell into the trap.
That was
That's
it.
it,
Yeah.
yeah.
Snared us.
Yeah. You saw it on YouTube and you were like, look at these.
Yeah.
So we started watching. It was like,
Oh, God, we've got to go and see
we're going to
them.
go and have a look.
So you ended up buying one, thank
Yeah.
God. It
Yeah.
keeps us in business.
Yeah.
So you ended up buying one and you're happy.
We love it.
We love it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
love
We
it.
absolutely love
Yeah.
it. Yeah, it's
That's
brilliant.
That's that. So how long you been in it now?
Full time.
Full
Yeah.
time.
End of
but-
September, wasn't it?
Yeah, so it's
We
about
moved
6
into
weeks,
it.
isn't it?
Yeah.
6, 7 weeks now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's gone to plan so far.
I mean, we've been quite
Have you
lucky,
been to
I think.
many? You haven't been to many sites, but you've been
Not
to
yet.
one or two, or
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
I
started
mean-
off in Devon, didn't we? Where we lived.
yeah.
Oh, it was
So-
full timers.
That's full time.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we thought
Only
we'd
3 now.
kind of just settle in and let the family get used to it as well
Yeah.
because Ellen obviously is quite close. So it's obviously her,
Yeah.
you know, thing.
Who's
she's still
driving? You're
living
both
with us,
driving.
Well,
I am.
you do the
Yeah.
you do the driving, let's
Mostly.
face it. And the only time I had a go, well,
Yeah.
I had to have a go, was when Scott was in hospital and I had to move up pitch.
You
Yeah.
can always have a drive around here.
Yeah.
You can go back
You did well though. You did well.
Yeah,
Yes,
luckily
um,
we were near my other daughters in Hull
Yeah.
Yeah.
and she helped me reverse
Yeah.
and stuff. You know.
So
Yeah,
where,
you park
where,
it
you-
up spot
where are
on.
you going to go now?
Stratford.
Yeah, Stratford.
Today.
Have you
Later on.
seen the pitch before? You just booked it online, or you
Just-
rang them up?
Yeah, we rang them up. We've looked at it on Google Maps.
And
I've
how long are you
scouted it out.
staying there for?
A month, isn't
month.
it? Yeah,
Yeah.
4 weeks.
Yeah, we
And
always
they-
ring them up because of the fifth wheel aspect.
Yeah.
Yes.
I always worry, funny enough, that
When
when,
you
I
say
say
fifth
fifth wheel, they think you're going to rock up
What's
in
that?
this like
Yeah.
Well,
enormous.
I probably think a
thing, you know.
fairground or something. Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Generally, I say to folks when it's difficult, but you're better off if you're going full time and you're going to live there for quite a while. Is you go and introduce yourself at the
Yeah.
campsite because they don't know who you are
Yeah.
from a phone call.
No.
Could be anybody.
No, that's right.
We got a grilling, funny enough, from a site that we're trying to get finding because we're going back to Devon in December.
Yeah. Right. So you're going to have the winter in the UK this winter,
up
or
till
any
December.
plans to go anywhere?
Up until the end of December, and then,
And then we're off to Spain,
off
aren't
to
we?
Spain.
But we go over to France, travel down through France, aren't we?
Yeah.
Down to the south of France, because Ash advised me to go that way.
Yeah.
He said that's a bit.
Ashley's been away,
Yeah.
but he's lived in Spain. lived in
Yeah,
France.
he was saying, so that's why
Yeah.
I picked his brains. He said,
Yeah.
no, just go down south of France. He said, much better
Yeah.
road. It's a bit more expensive to go that way and then just cut straight across.
Yeah, a lot easier.
No
drive.
messing about with mountains and
Yeah.
stuff. It's all
Yeah.
low
Yeah.
level, so.
So you're going to head through France and down to Spain on the
Yeah.
3 months type thing?
Yeah.
It's a winter rally with the motorhome and caravan club.
Oh, so you're going with
it
the
is.
club?
We're going with the club.
What's
Yeah.
the name
Yeah.
again?
Is it the motorhome one? The motorhome and caravan.
Caravan and Motorhome Club, yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, and they
so
they're going on
Alania.
a rally.
It's like
Yeah.
a winter rally. It's
Yeah,
called.
brilliant. Yeah, fantastic. Yeah. and then we're with folks and all that. Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
It's Alania Costa Brava, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, so that'd be kind of cool.
Yeah.
We joined
Really
an
cool.
RV club, didn't we, as well?
Yeah.
And with some of that, couple of them
Yeah,
people going
a few
to,
of
which
them.
is really nice. That's
They
been
go
really
as well.
nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
crack, yeah, definitely.
They got big American.
So, how
rigs
you going
and
for 3 months, are you, or?
Yes, well, it's
Just
70 nights on that site,
Yes.
but the rest of it is.
Yeah.
Where's
Getting there
that
and
site?
coming back.
Is that in Spain, or?
Sorry?
Where are you ultimately going to be? Spain,
Spain.
then come back to
Yeah,
the UK?
Spain, down by Alicante.
Yeah.
Yeah, Alicante area.
Yeah, that area, yeah.
So you're well looking forward to that. Done anything like that before?
No.
Never.
So you feel, the thing is,
yeah,
you
a lot
feel
of
young,
firsts.
you feel all
Yeah.
young again.
Yeah,
there's a lot
When
of
you get out in
firsts.
these
Exciting.
adventures, you feel like you've got reborn again,
No,
to be
honestly,
honest.
the freedom to be able to go
Yeah,
and do it
brilliant.
is great.
We've driven a bit in France, but that's about it.
Only in
isn't
the
it?
car?
Not with a caravan.
No,
And not with a fifth wheel.
no.
So that's going to be a big first.
So excited
So,
about
yeah.
it.
Are you both quite confident people?
Yeah, quietly, I think.
Quietly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not, yeah.
Because some
Yeah.
people say, are they difficult to drive? I always say, well,
found it
maybe
easy.
get the first 50 miles done.
Yeah.
That's-
You
you
say
get the
that,
first
don't
50
you?
That's
miles.
on every trip for me.
Yeah, I know.
Once I've bedded in 50.
What's that noise? What's that
50 miles.
noise?
Yeah, yeah.
What was that? Have you looked that up
That's
right?
exactly how I feel, and I'm
Yeah.
like always a bit nervous for about, I'd say the first half an hour
Yeah,
for me.
yeah.
But then once I've
I'm
got
still
over
the
that half
same.
an hour,
We've sold
I
it for
relax.
18 years. I'm still
Yeah.
the same.
Yeah.
I get in and
Weird,
think,
isn't
shit,
it?
what's up with this? But
Yeah.
a caravan's much the same.
Yeah.
The thing is with these, you don't get that swaying you get on a caravan. They
No,
do
you
drive
don't.
much steadier.
And
Yeah.
all you get is a little bit of now and again.
Yeah, that's the airbags. If,
yeah.
if you tweak them up a little
Yeah,
bit, stop that.
that's why I've figured that bit out. Yeah,
Right,
so
that's that.
pump those up a bit.
We've gone to Spain. We've had a great time
Yeah.
on your rallies and all that.
Yeah.
And so then when you come back from Spain, what's the plan? Is it to be in one place or still to travel
No,
around
travelling.
a little?
Travel round.
Definitely travelling.
Yeah.
What, a
Yeah.
month, 2 months as it comes?
We'll take it as it comes,
yeah,
I think.
I
But
think we're pretty easy on
Yeah.
the whole planning thing. I don't think we're so set on, oh, we must stay here for a certain amount of time.
Yeah.
I think obviously it works out cheaper if you get seasonal sites, but we want to explore, don't we?
We do want to explore.
So
Yeah.
we're probably not going to go that route. We'll just go travel about, maybe do some off-grid as well if we can.
Yeah, we've really got to get more
Well,
confident on
I've
the
actually
off-grid.
seen the solar system, so
Yeah.
you could go anywhere with that,
Yeah.
really. That's pretty
Yeah,
much
that's the
going to
plan.
work.
Well, that was the plan, wasn't
That's
it?
the
That's
plan.
the reason.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just try and keep the costs
Yeah.
down,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
Um,
So we
Oh
can
yeah,
just
you
go
won't
anywhere.
get those stupid electricity bills and everything in Spain and all
Yeah.
this because you're running off your own system. So,
yeah.
Yeah.
so you'll be
Yeah.
okay there.
Hopefully.
Right,
So
so
yeah, not sure whether to dip our toe in this year or next year.
Yeah, well, next year, yeah.
Yeah,
We
it's
might.
a Schengen thing, isn't it? You've got to be
Yeah.
in for 90 days.
The 90-day rule.
in and out.
yeah, we had one customer here. They had a Southern Island passport, so they
Yeah, it's
Okay.
Wendy and Mark, isn't
that's it. They've got their little YouTube channel.
Yeah.
going and
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I haven't seen their YouTube channel. Didn't know they had one. I know they got
Yeah.
Instagram and that.
Oh, that was you might
I'll
like.
have to have a look at
I
it.
don't know.
Hmm.
Right, we're waffling.
Yeah.
Get this chicken sometimes.
Yeah.
Right, oh folks, if you want to follow their journey and get some information on the rest of it, you're going to have to actually sign on to their YouTube channel and have a look. But it'll be interesting because you can follow their tours, their travels, all that sort of thing. So if you'd like to tell us what the channel's name is,
It is the Bebs Beat.
Webspeed.
The Bebs Beat, yeah. So we're
How do you spell that? Is it quite simple to spell?
Yeah.
all the B's. So
Yeah.
the and then BEBBS BE80.
Okay,
Webspeed.
fantastic.
The
So
best bit.
Yeah.
hopefully we get some of our subscribers to follow you.
That'd be awesome.
That'd be
to get a
That'd be
brilliant,
awesome, thank
Yeah.
brilliant
Yeah.
sort of insight into touring, living full time in your van.
Yeah.
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 Yeah,
that's what
yeah.
we'll
Your
do.
bit of lifestyle.
Travel
That's what we
around.
want,
Yeah,
lifestyle.
that's it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there you go, folks. If you got to the end, big thanks from CCRV, and subscribe for the next channel or the next film. Thank you for watching. That's it. Can you see that? Yeah, they're doing some acrobatics today. It's like an air show here most of the time. Right, here we go.